subscribe, share everywhere, help me grow. We have 590 subscribers, 600 is almost there. We're almost there. All we need is 10 more subscribers. I know you guys could do it. All you guys got to do is subscribe, right? If you're watching this video and you're just watching for the first time, just subscribe to the channel. There's more coming. Obviously, it's a full bolt-on Honda Accord. It's on the Ktuner base tune, so it's not dyno tune yet. It will be soon once I get my clutch, which I'll receive it November 22nd. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna install it, and then once I install the clutch, I have a torque mount, a transmission clutch mount. I mean torque mount that I gotta install, and after that, that's when I'm gonna go dyno tune. And then when I go dyno tune, that's when the car is gonna be really fast, and it's gonna be fun. And I also got tires coming in as well. So turn the camera to me real quick. Okay. Ooh, excuse me. This is a better angle. Look weird over there. So that being said, there's a lot coming for this car. It's just gonna keep getting better. This car is gonna get better and better. There's a reason it's called the build. The build never stops. It's gonna continue to grow. The car is gonna continue to get faster. It's gonna continue to improve, and it's just gonna look better. So just gotta stay tuned and stay with me and believe in me. But you guys gotta do your part too. I could do my part and, you know, spend the money, install the parts, and try to break the 1/4 quarter mile record with this car, which I attempt to do after I get dyno tune and I get my tires. I'm gonna attempt to break the record of 1/4 mile, the fastest quarter mile in a 1.5T Sport Honda Accord. So hopefully we can make that possible. The only way you guys would know if that's possible is if you stay tuned with my channel. So make sure you guys share this video. You have to share the video so that I could keep growing. The more you guys share the video, let's say for example 300 of you guys share the video. If you share the video on Facebook, on Instagram, or Twitter, and let's say another 10 people watch it, that's basically, you count 300, right? 300 of y'all times 10, that's like 3,000 people that could watch, that would be able to watch my videos, right? And then be able to, there's a percentage of that 3,000 that will subscribe to my channel. That will help me grow. Even that percentage is low, it still will help me grow. So I'll appreciate that. And the only way you guys can do that is if you share, like, comment down below if you like the videos, and just stay tuned to my channel. You believe in me, I believe in myself, and I'm gonna continue to progress and continue to upgrade this car, and no matter what, because I just believe in myself, and that's the most important thing, is to believe in yourself, believe in your dream, and just do you know what I'm saying? So thanks for watching. I hope you guys like the clips that I pull off for you guys today. I know I haven't been like vlog type, but I know you guys like these videos. I know you guys like me driving the car and showing you guys sounds and all that, so that's why I post these videos. And also it's easier for me to make because I'll be working. I literally came out right now out of work at, well, not right now, but I came out at 2 o'clock, right? So let me show you guys what time is it now. So I don't know if you guys can see that real quick. There we go. See, it's 2:55 right now in the morning. So I got out of work at 2 o'clock in the morning. This is not focusing. Focus. There we go. So yeah, I got out at 2 o'clock in the morning out of work, and then I instantly went just straight to making videos for you guys. I just couldn't wait. I have to make a video for you guys, because every time I don't make a video for you guys, or I put a video on YouTube, it makes me feel weird, yo. Like, I don't feel 100%. I just feel like sad, bro. I just like it bothers me a lot. So this is why I post at nighttime most of the time. It's not because I want to, it's because it's the time that I can make a video. And I'm glad that you guys are liking the video, because these videos are the ones I could be able to make a lot of. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna make morning videos when I can, and installing my install videos, obviously, like I always did with the Accord. That's still gonna go on. I just gotta wait for the parts to come and all that. But I'm glad you like these videos, because I can keep putting out these videos so I could continue to have videos so for you guys to watch. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm talking too much right now. Hope you guys have a good night / morning. Just stay with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.